Hi, Dan from DBaca Maker here, and I am announcing my 400 subscriber celebration giveaway rules. It's going to be very simple. You have to be a subscriber, and I have to be able to see that you're a subscriber either on your channel page, or if you could send me a screenshot of my homepage from your computer with the word subscribed in gray. And I want you also to comment down below about how you found my channel. I've had such an explosion of subscriptions, and I know some of them came from being in live streams, chatting in live streams with people. Others are from recommendations. I just want to know how you found my channel. And then you'll be entered to win one of those 3 items that I showed in the last video. I'm sorry, I'm rushed. I'm between things right now. And I just want to say that I'm so appreciative for all of the channels that I watch, that I draw inspiration from, that I learn from, that I gain some knowledge or some edification, encouragement to do things. I truly do appreciate those channels, and so I have put as many of them as I can fit within a minute in an end screen credit scroll. I can't put all of the channels that I subscribe to. It would take too long. The more that I have, the longer it takes. So these are just some of the most excellent channels. Some of them are low subscriber counts, but we'll work that out at another time. So for now, you've heard the rules. Now next Saturday, this is Memorial Day weekend, and so next Saturday we will hold the drawing, and I will do it as a premiere so we could chat live as the video is going. It'll be a short video, so there'll be a short chat, but there we go. All right, so I'll see you all next week.